Tired of wasting time and making a mess in the kitchen? These 7 gadgets solve common kitchen problems, and you'll actually use every one of them. But number 5, it completely blew my mind. From saving time to cutting cleanup, each gadget fixes a real pain. Let's start with gadget number 1 and make cooking easier today.
Mornings can be a bit of a scramble, and who has time to whip up a leisurely breakfast? This amazing 4-in-1 breakfast machine toasts, bakes, and cooks eggs all at the same time. In just minutes, you can enjoy a complete breakfast without turning your kitchen into a mess. Plus, its compact design is perfect for fitting into those tight spaces. Tired of your baked goods coming out uneven or with burnt edges? This rotating oven keeps your food moving for that perfect bake every single time. You'll get that delightful crispiness on the outside while keeping it gooey on the inside, consistently. Plus, with separate controls for the top and bottom heating elements, you can achieve total precision in your baking.
Dealing with smelly kitchen scraps and overflowing trash? This composting machine can dry out your food waste in just seconds. It's a fantastic way to keep your kitchen clean and eco-friendly. Transform those scraps into nutrient-rich compost for your garden. Say farewell to messy garbage and welcome a cleaner, greener kitchen. Frustrated with bread sticking or burning in your Dutch oven? This reusable silicone sling makes lifting bread a breeze, ensuring it comes out safely and evenly every time. Whether you're baking sourdough or artisan bread, you'll get perfect results. It's heat-resistant, dishwasher safe, and easy to store.
Cooking eggs or whipping up omelets can be quite the messy adventure, right? But with this automatic electric omelet and fried egg maker, you can enjoy the perfect breakfast every single time. No flipping, no fuss, and definitely no mess. It's quick and easy, making it a lifesaver for those hectic mornings. And let's talk about those messy spills when you're pouring batter. With this handy 900 milliliter dispenser, you can control the flow just right. Whether you're making pancakes, muffins, cupcakes, or waffles, you'll do it all neatly. Plus, it's super easy to use, clean, and even fun for the kids. Now, if you've ever grilled meat, you know how it can fall apart or cook unevenly. But with this rotating stainless steel BBQ cage, your food stays secure and cooks evenly every time. You'll get juicy, smoky meat that's just perfect. It works great on Kamado grills, mesh drums, or any outdoor grill you have. There you have it, 7 genius kitchen gadgets that solve real kitchen problems. Which one will make your life easier? Comment below. Grab all the gadgets in the description so you can start cooking smarter today. Don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen life hacks and problem-solving gadgets.